Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. We, Holy Family, and welcome you to the Independence Day celebration.
29 states, 1,618 languages, 6,400 castes, 6 major religions, and 6 major ethnic groups, and one country, our incredible India.
So, again, we are here to mark another landmark of success by celebrating the 74th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. With freedom in our minds, faith in our words, and pride in our souls, let's salute those great men who could make this possible. We welcome our chief guest, our Reverend Sister Leah Peter, our manager, Sister Shija Bastin, our principal, to hoist the national flag that shows the symbol of our national pride and identity.
A message can change a life. The sculpture of human characters, seasoned scholars, and the navigators of Holy Family Convent School, our manager, Reverend Sister Leah Peter, Sister Shija Bastin, our principal, conveys their thoughts.
Respected Sister Shija, the principal, and my dear respected colleagues, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Unlike every year, this Independence Day won't be celebrated with pomp and show. But this day holds great significance in the heart of every Indian citizen living in India and abroad. We gratefully remember our forefathers, freedom fighters, and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live an independent nation. Once again, I wish you all happy Independence Day and our students who are away from their school. Thank you.
Dear students and parents, today it's my great pleasure to wish all of you a happy Independence Day. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happiness, and we must be proud to be an Indian. We must not only have love and respect for our country, but also should avoid hatred against each other. It is said that truth will make you free. Yes, let us be faithful and truthful to the responsibilities entrusted to us. During this panic situation, let's sincerely pray for our country and be safe by keeping the rules and regulations given by our government. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Today, this day, definitely our students are missing their school, as well as the Independence Day celebrations due to the COVID pandemic. Here are our small kids wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
प्यारा भारत हमारा भारत, सारे जग से न्यारा भारत, पढ़ लिख कर तुम नाम कमाओ, कर दो प्यारा भारत। गौतम गांधी की है धरती, भगत सिंह का दुलारा भारत, अनेक धर्म के लोग यहाँ हैं, फिर भी एक हमारा भारत। जय हिंद, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे, थैंक यू।
May this Independence Day bring fortune and success for each one of us. Make our country see more progress in coming years. Happy Independence Day.
शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर वर्ष मेले, वतन पर मर मिटने वालों का बाकी यही नामो निशा होगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत, थैंक यू। I am proud to be an Indian. Patriotism is in my blood. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. I love my country. I am proud to be an Indian.
Do you feel some turbulence around here? Yes, I do. The heartbeats have gone up, and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, song, lights, and joy.